Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making barbecue chicken. If you want to learn how to make barbecue chicken with me, just keep watching. Just to let you guys know that this is a new series this month. We are going to be making sandwiches. So if you guys want to go on that journey with me, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Also comment so that YouTube know that you guys are engaging in my videos. So if you guys are like me and do not have barbecue sauce, I'm going to teach you guys a really fast and easy way to make barbecue sauce really fast. I have a quarter of a yellow onion. I have 6 cloves of garlic. You are going to need 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cup of ketchup. You need a teaspoon of the ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce, and then 1/3 cup of honey. We are going to kind of cook the onion and the garlic, and then we'll throw in all the sauce and put it together. So in my pan, I have 2 teaspoons of oil. I have my onion and garlic in there. And I am using high heat because I want this to cook. And then when we do the sauce, we are just going to turn down the fire a little bit. Smells so good, you guys. The onion and the garlic smells so good. And do you guys see her? Like I said, she's always in the kitchen. She's a helper, as people say. She doesn't help me one bit, but that's okay. I'm just gonna let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll start putting our sauce and everything in there. It's gonna be so yummy, you guys. That's just the ketchup. It's not me, okay? So the onion and the garlic has been cooking for a hot minute. I believe they are ready because they're kind of golden brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the ketchup first, but I'm going to turn down my cooktop here. So cup and a half of ketchup. Let's stir that. And then I am going to put my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna shake it first because it is organic and it's got all the stuff on the bottom. So I am going to put 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to put my 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then my 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. There we go, or 1. Let us stir that for a quick moment. Okay, so for the meat, I am going to use a rotisserie chicken. I am actually going to take it apart and put it in here. Make sure that you take out all the bones or you don't get the bones in there. I'm only gonna take it out and then I'll shred it in a little bit here. And excuse the background. My husband and my father-in-law is working in the garage, so it's kind of loud, but let's just not choose to listen to them. Just listen to me. Just listen to my voice, okay? So I got the thighs in here. Hey. Hey, sweetheart. sweetheart. Hey, what you doing? Hmm? What you doing? What you doing? So my skillet is really, really hot. I am going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter for each bread. There goes my one. And then there goes my other one. And I am using sourdough. And while that is cooking, I'm gonna throw down some of the chicken. Excuse me. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. I hope that you guys do enjoy making it as much as I did with you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.